Do you use pH meters to check your soil? If so, how do you keep it balanced? My readings stay in the low alkaline readings. However, how can I boost it, and does it really make a difference?
So pH meters aren't always accurate. Most of the time you can get them at the garden center for like $10, and they are not always accurate. But if you use something like Soil Savvy, which is a good trusted soil
testing
test kit.
Yeah.
If you go to mysoilsavvy.com, and you can send in your soil sample.
They'll email you back 16 points of annihilation, tell you what you're doing wrong, or what's wrong with the soil, what's right with the soil, what to do to fix the wrong part, what to not do, or that type of thing.
So this way you are having like an accurate measure, not going off guessing what this thing may or may not
because
tell you.
I'm guessing, and we've played around with pH meters. If a pH meter that's supposed to tell you what the pH is, you put water on the soil, and then you make sure the soil is moist, and you stick the meter in, and it has a dial or a digital readout of what the alkaline or acidity level is. I don't know how accurate it is for being $10. Now, if your soil test kit, your soil meter was $119,
right?
Maybe we're talking pretty good accuracy.
Maybe a professional, told you to get it, whatever. But sodium for alkaline soils, you mix in sulfur,
right?
And then for acidic soils, you mix in lime. So you generally will do this at the end of the season. Let it sit so the soil has time to adjust before your next planting season. If you are concerned, again, just do it at the end of the season. If you feel it's too alkaline, then you would do some sulfur.
And it will take a while, like you said, takes 2 to 3 months to get the soil pH to change, applying the amendments of lime and sulfur and then you want to, there is, like, if you are whatever level you are short or above, then you have to look online to figure out how much per square feet or meters you need to apply. Because it's an 8.3. Okay, I need to go down. I'm just going to pour the bucket of stuff on top of it. That's not how you do that.
No, you can't. You want to start less is more.
Right. Proper applicational rates to get your proper alkaline. Now, most gardening vegetable plants, a pH of 7, neutral, between 0 and 14, going to do fine. Blueberries, they need like a 4. Strawberries, they'll grow okay in a 7, but they really like a 5.3 to a 5.6, I think it is, 5.5. Everything, it has a little fluctuation, but the 7 is kind of that sweet spot where if you're going to have a garden and you got 7.0 soil on the pH level, you're going to have an okay garden.